guys, at this point, I would want us to do, if you look at our cursor line, at the end of the SMC concept, that smart money concept or the blocks, we also have had another top-down analysis, and that is what I want to take care of right away. That is what I want to take care of. All right, let's get to our MT5. Let's get to our MT5. What's happening? Guys, it seems there's no network here. This was just a trade I took. I took this trade. That was the withdrawal I made, around $58. Okay. Yeah, this is Euro USD. I would have made millions in this trade. That was a news trade I actually took. I would have made millions, but this stuff was that my deposit was $50. So I actually chose a high leverage so that I'll be able to participate in the news. I actually chose a high leverage, but the stuff was not processed. So it was not, the processing has not finished before the news came out. So I entered the news with about 3 lot size. I entered with 1 lot size in 3 positions, trying to catch at least 50 pips. If I had catch 50 pips, it would have been $500 each position. So immediately I was using a buy stop. Immediately the trade got to my order, it deleted all my orders and it ran all the way to the upside. Jesus, it ran all the way to the upside. So I would have ran above 50 pips plus. So had it been, finished processing the leverage I used, I would have made $1,500 plus, and that is in our currency. It should be 1 point something million. But that one, by the way, it like the stuff hurts me, like it pained me sharp. But what will I do, Kwan? That's why it's good for, before you do anything, start planning ahead of time. Start plan. You see the news here. You see the news here, guys. You see the news. Oh, let me bring out my arrow. You see the news. Though it was not on this currency pair, I traded it. I traded it on this currency pair. I traded on gold. I traded, where is the 4 hours time frame? I traded on gold. Oh, let me show you guys. So here is it. Here is it at this level, at this level, at this level, at this level, at this level. I was waiting for the market at this point. Look at where I entered the trade here. My buy stop was at that level. My buy stop was at this level now, waiting for the market. So the market, all the move to the upside is above 50 pips. So I would have made over $1,000, 1,500 plus. But it did not go well with my account size. It did not go well with my account size, guys. But there's no problem. There's no problem. So, guys, let's get started. Top-down analysis. All right. One thing you guys should know is that in the forex market is actually broken into two. The forex market is actually broken into 2 bits. We have the analysis aspect. We have the analysis aspect, and we have the trade execution aspect. The analysis aspect and the trade execution aspect. So after analyzing the market, you're not just analyzing for analyzing's sake, you're analyzing to make money. So after analysis comes trade execution. All right, guys, I hope you guys are learning. So chart patterns, trend lines. Listen to me. Chart patterns. Those chart patterns you learned. Trend lines, support and resistance. Okay, they are literally zones. Psychological levels are literally used for analysis. All right, those are the things. Time frame correlation, they are used for analysis. Break of structure them, mitigation and order flow. imbalance and pricing efficiency. These things are used for analysis. All right, they are used for analyzing the market. Fibonacci retracement. They are used for analysis, guys. And then for trade execution, what we use for trade execution is confluences, guys. Confluences. I believe I've made mention of this many times. Confluences. And again, what does this confluences mean? Confluences simply means a group of technical biases. I don't even know how to explain this again. No. Confluences is just putting up to at least bringing three of these things you are using for analysis into perspective, bringing three of them together to make a trade decision. You understand what I'm saying? So you have your trend line, you have your imbalance, you have about three things telling you to enter, three things confirming an entry. Let me just put it that way. Like you have three things. You have trend line, you have support and resistance, you have what again? Maybe Fibonacci zone. You have these three things together. You understand? Saying the same thing. It is called confluence. It is called bringing all of them together is what makes the confluence, guys. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. Bringing three of them together is what makes up the confluence. So we make three decisions, not of emotions, not of the car is buying, is saying no. We make three decisions after analyzing the market, and we must have gotten at least three confluences, three aspect of our technical analysis confirming that entry. That is when we can go ahead and click buy or sell after we must have predetermined our risk per trade. All right, we will talk about that explicitly on risk management. I hope you guys understand. So we don't just come into the market and then just play around. No, that's why people lose money here. You understand? And that is why we are doing it the way we are doing it now, so that it will prevent us from a lot of casualties. All right, guys. So it's no news again to you guys that actually chart patterns literally changes the trends in the market. I mean, chart patterns formation literally, most of like double tops, double bottoms, W form, double top, double bottom, triple tops, triple bottom. All these are actually things that actually changes the trends in the market. Go study it properly. The material is already out on our on this space. Go study it thoroughly. Make sure that everything we are doing here, you actually doing all of them professionally. Just give it your time. So that is it, guys. So let's get started. So this is a chart. This is Euro USD, pounds versus dollars. So let's analyze this chart now and know where this market will be going. Maybe in the next few, yeah. So let's start from the weekly time frame. So guys, this is the weekly time frame. What can we see on this weekly time frame now? What can we see on this weekly time frame? What can we see? Let me bring out my arrow and my zone level. My arrow. Let me draw it, and then my zone, because it will be important. So guys, let's watch. You can see in the weekly time frame, from off of this level, market was actually trending up. Market was actually higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Market now failed to do another higher high. Remember when I taught you guys all these things? Market failed to do another higher high, and then markets came down below. All right, markets came down below, and now came down. You can see it, guys. It's supposed to put up another high low. It's supposed to put up another higher high. It failed to do so. It now put up. You see what happened? So it's as if higher, lower low, lower high, lower. It started forming another trend. And this is, if you watch your chart patterns very well, this is double top, double top, double top. It is an M formation, M formation. Chart patterns literally changes the trend, especially when you see these chart patterns forming in the higher time frame, like the weekly time frames. All right, guys. So it will signify that the trend is gonna change in no distance time. All right. So it now started making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. You can see it, guys. So it continues making this formation till it got to this point. Till it got to this point. So what again did we see that happen? Markets, instead of markets putting down another lower low, instead of market putting down another lower low, lower high, lower low, market failed and market went up to the upside and broke a structure. This is what we call break of structure. Break of structure. I told you guys this thing. Break of structure. Break of structure. You guys can see, guys. It broke this structure, did a retest. This is a, if you go to the daily time frame, you see that this is a confirmed retest, but you will not see it very well in the weekly time frame. You get it did a retest and then rallied all the way to the upside, even broke this level too. Oh my gosh. So market is actually heading to the upside. It broke this level too. It also broke this level too. It broke this resistance too. You guys can see what is happening. So now, guys, what do you see? What do you see? Our buyers in this market. Our buyers in this market is that the market have actually changed trend all the way to the upside. That's our buyers. That's our buyers. So let's go to the daily time frame to confirm if we will be actually correct. I told you guys, this thing, guys, you guys thought I'm joking. I'm not playing, guys, so I'm not playing. We're not playing Glam FX. We're actually talking reality, what is happening in the market. As it is happening, they play the show. So guys, you can see the levels I marked out. You can see the levels I marked out. I told you guys, price broke that level. You can see price got to this point. It failed to continue put down a lower low. It started ranging upwards, right? So it came here, broke it and retested, started trending up all the way to the upside. But now, guys, we are having another bias now. We are having another bias. We are having another bias. So price went all the way to the upside. Then it broke another level. This is a level. You get what I'm saying? You know, can see where my line is. Price higher, 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 low, higher, high. Price don't supposed to break this level. So price came and broke this level. You can see broke again this level. So price might likely get to this level. This is another obvious support we can see. So price might likely get to that level before it start pushing all the way to the upside. I don't know whether you understand, guys. You can see where my arrow is. My arrow is not pointing away. I'm just using that arrow as a resistance. I mean, as a support. So price might likely get to that level before it starts rallying all the way to the upside. So let's put an arrow there. I mean, let's put a line at that level. Let's put a line at that level. Let's put a line at that level, guys. So price might likely get to this level before it starts rallying all the way to the upside, because our bias now is that this market want to go up. So sorry, guys. So sorry. This was disturbing me, guys. So sorry. Our bias now is the market might likely start running all the way. So we now go to the 4-hour time frame. So sorry, I don't supposed to come here this way. All right, daily. Let me bring my arrow. So we now go to the 4-hour time frame. Getting to the 4-hour time frame. Where's my arrow? Daily. So getting to the 4-hour time frame, guys. What do you see here? What do you see? It's as though in the 4-hour time frame, it's as though price is actually ranging. It's as though price is ranging at this zone. So what am I going to do now? Let me delete this. So what am I going to do? I can go over to the daily time frame. I will delete this. Do you understand what I'm saying? I will delete it. Although it has shown me a bias, but I can delete it. I can go ahead and delete it. Come to the 4-hour. So what am I going to do? Our bias now is that market is actually going to the upside. So that's our bias. So I can actually come to this 4 hour time frame and do something of this nature. A support. I'll do a support here. I'll clone it. I'll do a resistance at this level. Guys, did you see what I did? I'll do something of this nature. I'll do something of this nature. This nature. Guys, hope you can see what I did. So I'll do something of this nature. So price will either break either side. Price will break either sides. So, but our bias is an uptrend. Our bias is a price will. Where's my arrow? You guys can see what I did, ba? So my arrow is here. So our bias is that based on we have ascertained that price is actually going upwards, even though it broke a level in the daily time frame. It broke a level in the day, but our bias is still upward. So if price should break this level, we are actually going to take our first profit here and take our second profit here. This is the obvious reversal point we can see, obvious resistance you can see, and this is the second obvious resistance you can see. So we can either take our profit here or take our profit here. We'll take our first profit here, take our second profit here. All right, guys. So that is it. That is our bias in this particular trade, guys. That is our bias. We'll further go over to the 1 hour time frame. Coming to the 1 hour time frame. What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? You can see market is a total range. Market is on a total range. Market is on a total range, guys. You can see what is happening. Market is on a total range. Market is on a total range. You can see it, guys. See it for yourself. I actually zoomed back the screen. I don't know how to speak it in English. Forgive me, guys. So I zoomed it back. You can see market is on a total range. Came down here, tested this support, went up, tested the resistance, came down, tested support, went down, tested this resistance, came down. So it might likely get to test this level. You understand what I'm saying, guys? So this is market is on a total range. Let me bring it back to where it used to be. So you can see, guys, market is on a total what? A total range. A total range. A total range. Market is on a total range. So we can people should stop disturbing me. So guys, market on it. So in this kind of market now, we might not likely start making trade decisions because we don't literally market is not committed to a direction. Market is not trending up, it's not trending down. You get what I'm saying, guys. Market is not we might not likely trade here. We are not trading here. We are not trading here. Even though we can put a level at this zone, and say if price should break it, if price, you can see where my arrow is, that zone. This, if price should break this resistance, it will confirm our upwards bias. It will confirm further our upwards bias. I don't know whether you understand what I'm saying. And price will likely do that. Price will likely get to break that level because you got higher high, high low, higher high, high low, higher high. Even though this is happening during this time, it might likely still push up higher and break this level. So that is it, guys. We don't just wake up and start trading. No, we actually analyze the market. If we are seeing if we are seeing trade opportunities, we enter the market, ascertaining how much we are willing to risk per trade. If there is no trade opportunity, we will stay away from the market. That's how forex is. Or you go to another currency pair and analyze. If there's a trade opportunity there, you will take it. You guys understand what I'm saying? So I can even just drop this in here and then maybe by next tomorrow or so, maybe by tomorrow, because today this is just morning. But by tomorrow, this trade must have finished playing out. I will still do it. I show you guys again like I did the other time and tell you guys, I said it. You get? So that's it, guys. We will still go over to the 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame to further confirm our bias. to further confirm our buyer. So you can just put this thing at this level and just put a line at that level and say, price, if you break this level, I am gonna buy. I'm gonna buy. If you break it and retest, I'm gonna buy. So, guys, that can be the situation here. That could be the situation here. We'll still go over to the 15 minutes time frame and see that level is a strong level. It's a strong level. It's a strong level. So it could further confirm our buyers. Could further confirm our buyers. So if market should break that level, we are going long. We are going long. So, guys, I can see. I know. I believe. I so much believe that you guys know. I've seen how I'm doing this thing. It's not difficult to do. This was the level. You can see price is already forming. You can see price is actually trying to go up somehow. So, guys, this is it. If price should break the level where I put that arrow, so it will be likely confirming our buyers. So, guys, this is it about trade executions. This is it about trade entries. This is it about trade entries. Let me show you that imbalance we talked about. Just go through the imbalance. You will learn it very well. You learn it very well. So you can see, guys, at this level, you see what price is. Price left an imbalance here. This was an imbalance. You can see price. I don't even know how to say. If you look at the wicks of this candle and the wicks of this candle, there is an imbalance here. And guess what? Price still got back to fill that imbalance. Look at price still came back, rallied all the way to the upside and filled that imbalance here. It filled the imbalance. It filled the imbalance. So all of these things, go through it very, very well. Go through it very, very well. Go through it very, very well. It will really help you. That imbalance. You understand what I'm saying, guys? Go through it very well. All of them put together will actually serve as your confluence for trading. It will serve as your confluence for trading. So, guys, this is it about this top-down analysis. I so much believe that this have really established a strong perspective on how top-down analysis is being done. All right, guys. So let's get to what again? Let's get to risk management and trading psychology. Risk management. That's very, very important. Let's get to risk management. Let's get to risk management. All right, guys. Peace out.